all. I am going to continue my term paper. As you know, my topic name is Microsoft Surface. These are the contents I already completed. What is Microsoft Surface? History, features, specifications, surface use, technical aspect, architecture, platform, launcher, and application responsibilities. These are the contents which I am going to present. Pixel Sense, Microsoft Surface 2, improvements, Gorilla Glass and features, customer adaptation, Microsoft Surface in India, pricing and availability, and skill code. Pixel Sense. It is introduced by Microsoft. Pixel Sense is actually it is an infrared sensor. In the previous Microsoft Surface, they are using the cameras for the sensing the object, but here all the pixels are used to sense the object. In the picture, you can see just what the paper is in the screen, and it can be viewed by the Pixel Sense. This is a new technology used developed by the Microsoft, and it is they are using the Microsoft Surface 2. It is the Microsoft Surface 2. It is the new version, and it is introduced in future 2011, means in this year, and they use the Pixel Sense in that one. So that's why it become very thin, and they use the Windows 7. In the previous, they use Windows Vista. Microsoft, with the combination of Samsung companies, they manufacture the Microsoft Surface 2. Improvements. As the earlier you can see, there is a big table, but now it become very thin, only 4-inch thin. There is a very high richer visual experience, HD quality video and pictures. It is a very new quick control is there now. And a vision-based touch means it is now become very sensitive. Pixels, there is a new technology which I told that Pixel Sense, and AMD Athlon dual processor that they are using. Gorilla Glass. This is also glass which they are using for the skin. This is the company of the American company. They are making some glass or screen, whatever we can use in mobile. Like Nokia N8, Nokia N8 is a new mobile. They are also using this Gorilla Glass. These are the features of Gorilla Glass. It is very thin compared to others. It is a very persistent, and it can be environment standards. Means if you can see that they just bend the glass, but till now it is nothing happened with that one. It is availability is very easy, and we can clean it very easily. Now, who is using the Surface today? Currently, the hospitality, automatic banking, and healthcare industry, they are using the Surface today. And the company like the AT&T, T-Mobile, the Rio All Suite Hotel, Casino Royal, Las Vegas, Disney, T-Mobile, they are using the Surface. These are the new company who is there. They are going to use this company like Desert Aviation. This is the aviation company. Fujifilm, as you know that one. Red Bull is a drinks company. Royal Bank of Canada. This is one bank in Canada. This is a hotel in resort worldwide. This is another hotel. Microsoft Surface in India. Reliance is the company. You know that Reliance company. They are going to use this Microsoft Surface in the future, and other company, other hotels like Taj Hotel, Oberoi Hotel, the big hotels, they are going to use this one in the future. Pricing and availability. In the dollar, it will be $7.7600, and if you in Indian currency, it is more than 3 lakh rupees. And in the future, within the 2 or 3 years, it will be available in 23 countries like Australia, India, Italy, Korea, Netherlands, Singapore. This country will be going to use. But till now, not all the countries are using this Surface 2. Disadvantage of Surface 2. Actually, it is very expensive, so that's why not all the countries are till now using. Privacy is the matter. It's a big table, so that's why 4 or 5 people can be used. So that's why there is some less of privacy. Another disadvantage, if any class is distributed, there may be a problem. Another new user should need to know how to handle that one. The Surface 2 or Surface. Skin port. This is also one technology introduced by Microsoft. This is actually they are taking the skin for input or output. Like in this picture, you can see they are taking the skin for input or output. The skin, vibration of the skin, they are taking the inputs. class I conclude that Microsoft Surface is the future technology. This is going to change the technology of the computer in future. And we are expecting that India is very soon India also going to use that one, and we also hope that we can also use that technology very soon. No need mouse, keyboard. So one video is there for skill code. One video is there for skill code technology. You can see they are taking by the skin their inputs. See that vibration, it is giving projection. You can see the vibration. See, by this vibration they are taking the inputs.
What inputs they are taking?
Whichever inputs you like, we see the clicking on anything in the mouse or the touchpad. No, this input only they are taking. It is the gadget for see the vibration is showing that in the monitor. It differs of vibration. Now see, this is the playing one game. See, whenever I click the left finger, it is going the left side or like this. This is the gadget. See the how just moving the finger, it also some differences there.
Very useful, no?
See, playing the games only by touching the fingers.
Only playing other information also we can share.
Then